Hello children, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public Schools online class of SST. Today we are going to discuss lesson 7th of geography, that is our country India. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south wash the shores of the Indian Peninsula. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometer, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometer. The lofty mountains, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coasts and islands present a diversity of landforms. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, as well as language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation. India is located in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. India shares its land boundaries with 7 countries. They are Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, China, and Myanmar. India is a vast country. For administrative purpose, the country is divided into 29 states and 9 union territories. Delhi is the national capital. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, and islands. Standing as sentinels in the north are the lofty snow-capped Himalayas. Him plus Alya mean the abode of snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into 3 main parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Great Himalayas. The world's highest peaks are located in this range. Middle Himalayas lies to the south of the Greater Himalayas. Popular hill stations are situated here. The Shivalik is the southernmost range. The northern Indian plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers, the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation. That is the reason for high concentration of population in these plains. In the western part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. It is a dry, hot, and sandy stretch of land. It has very little vegetation. To the south of northern plains lies the Peninsular Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. Aravalli Hills, one of the oldest ranges of the world, border it on the northwest side. The Vindhyas and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. The Western Ghats border the plateau in the west. They are almost continuous. The Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. They are broken and uneven. To the west of the Western Ghats and the east of the Eastern Ghats lie the coastal plains. The western coastal plains are very narrow. The eastern coastal plains are much broader. There are a number of east flowing rivers. The rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers have formed fertile deltas at their mouth. The Sundarban Delta is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Two groups of islands also form part of India. Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of the Indian mainland in the Bay of Bengal. So children, this lesson has been completed. Bye bye. Take care.